break the ice, meaning start a conversation. He told a joke to break the ice. I broke the ice with my new classmates. Piece of cake, meaning very easy. This exercise is a piece of cake. The test was a piece of cake. Hit the books, meaning study hard. I need to hit the books tonight. She hits the books before exams. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick. I feel under the weather today. He's under the weather, so he stayed home. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. This bag costs an arm and a leg. The shoes cost an arm and a leg. Bite the bullet, meaning accept something difficult. I decided to bite the bullet and apologize. He bit the bullet and finished the work. Call it a day, meaning stop working. Let's call it a day. She called it a day after 8 hours. Cut corners, meaning do something badly to you, save time, money. Don't cut corners on your homework. He cut corners while painting the wall. Up in the air, meaning not decided. Our plan is still up in the air. The meeting's up in the air. Hang in there, meaning don't give up. Hang in there, things will get better. She said, hang in there, while I struggled. On the ball, meaning alert and quick. You're really on the ball today. He's on the ball with his work. Hit the sack, meaning go to bed. I'm tired. I'll hit the sack. He hits the sack at 10 p.m. In hot water, meaning in trouble. He's in hot water for being late. I was in hot water after missing the deadline. Break a leg, meaning good luck. Break a leg in your exam. She said break a leg before the play. Call the shots, meaning make decisions. He calls the shots in this project. She calls the shots at work. A piece of the pie, meaning a share of something. I want a piece of the pie. He got a piece of the pie from the business. Let the cat out of the bag, meaning reveal a secret. Don't let the cat out of the bag. She let the cat out of the bag by accident. Burn the midnight oil, meaning work late. I burn the midnight oil to finish the project. He burns the midnight oil every night. Hit the nail on the head, meaning exactly right. You hit the nail on the head. He hit the nail on the head with his answer. Buy the book, meaning follow rules exactly. Do it by the book. She does everything by the book. Out of the blue, meaning unexpectedly. He called me out of the blue. The news came out of the blue. Go the extra mile, meaning do more than required. She goes the extra mile for her students. He went the extra mile to help me. Bite off more than you can chew, meaning take on too much. Don't bite off more than you can chew. He bit off more than he could chew at work. Under your nose, meaning clearly visible but unnoticed. The keys were under your nose. She left the book under my nose. Get cold feet, meaning be nervous. I got cold feet before this speech. He got cold feet before the interview. Throw in the towel, meaning give up. I won't throw in the towel. She threw in the towel after failing. Hit the road, meaning leave, start, journey. Let's hit the road. He hit the road early morning. Keep your chin up, meaning stay positive. Keep your chin up, it will be fine. She kept her chin up despite the problems. Take it easy, meaning relax. Take it easy this weekend. He tells me to take it easy. Jump the gun, meaning do something too early. Don't jump the gun. He jumped the gun. Bend over backwards, meaning try very hard to help. She bent over backwards to help her friend. He bent over backwards to finish the project. Hit the jackpot, meaning have great luck. I hit the jackpot with this job. They hit the jackpot on the lottery. Cry over spilt milk, meaning worry about something that's gone. Don't cry over spilt milk. She cried over spilt milk instead of moving on. Keep your fingers crossed, meaning keep your fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed for the exam. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for the interview. Burn bridges, meaning damage a relationship. Don't burn bridges with your colleagues. He burned bridges with his old boss. Go down in flames, meaning fail badly. The project went down in flames. His plan went down in flames. In the blink of an eye, meaning very quickly. The car disappeared in the blink of an eye. She finished the test in the blink of an eye. Keep an eye on, meaning watch carefully. Keep an eye on the kids. I keep an eye on my bag. Let off steam, meaning release stress. He went running to let off steam. She let off steam after work. Under the table, meaning secretly, hidden. He paid money under the table. The deal was done under the table.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.